Angang singgidamak thabak ama tauge hairabadi angang singa tana famthoi adubo angang singa tana gani haibo wafam asi imung manung ahal laman club organization sing yauna laingak pairiba singna fawba hek kaubugum tauri haina Manipur laingak ki social welfare ki director ngangum utamna fongdorakli wafam asi let's acquire knowledge as well as wisdom hai bahiramda school reach out campaign amasung MCPCR gi brand ambassador lauthokpa gi thauramda fongdokhibane School Management Committee Mega Manipur School amasung Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ani na punna senduna Imphal East ki Yaral Patalaiba Mega Manipur School da pangthokhiba thauram aduda utam na makha tana karigumbada angang singdagi ahal singna hena khangni haiduna hek tana bide asigumba fibam sing asina asoiba hek lai angang singidama kiram kayada yaifana bapaikatliba thabak sing adu makhoida chunadaba hainadaba thokpa yai Maram asina angang singgidamak hiram kayada yaifana bathabak taubada angang singatana famthoi haike thauram aduda Mega Manipur School gi mahiroi Thounaojam Jinatree bo MCPCR gi brand ambassador lauthokri
angang dagi ahal ne hena khangi hai be hek tana bi de sigi asoi be hek la ko whenever a big decision is taken if it is going to affect children should be consulted. Okay, children's opinions should be sought. So this is the beginning by MCPCR. We have the brand ambassador. Through the brand ambassador, you can put up your concerns, you can put up your suggestions. Okay, those suggestions, if related to other departments, MCPCR will again forward it for necessary action. Let's hope your rights are being protected in future. Your concerns are being taken care of in future.
Thauram aduda MCPCR gi brand ambassador lauthokrabi Thounaojam Jinatree na mahak masamak MCPCR gi brand ambassador oina khallabanina child rights ki matung inna angang khudingmak na fangfam thokpa rights singidamak tauba yaba pumnamak thabak oina onthoknaba angamba thakta hotnagani haiki
brand ambassador gi post ne aina hojik parbanina hojik ai advocacy aina tawbangam be advocacy aina social media dabu oiro campaign dabu oiro ai tawjaningi aduga akoi children se wa haidi 18 years muk ki manung da laiba children kai se koi vote piba yade ba adu akoi gi voice amadi lai sigi akoi gi voice se haidi adults kaina haidi akoi tabibam thokpa akoi gi hak laiba sigi akoi gi voice se tabi gadabani haibagi kholaw ma shoina laujaba pame